Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and here I help you to learn Russian language, learn something good about Russian culture and Russian in general. Usually I make my videos in Russian with subtitles in Russian, English and French, but today I decided to switch for English for a little bit because what I'm gonna do today is to tell you how you can learn Russian for free, and I'll show you how to sign for free Russian courses from Russian universities online. But now let's switch to my computer screen and I will show you everything. So, this site is called Открытое образование or Open Education in English, and it provides different courses on psychology, politics, languages, philosophy, and so on. You might know such an online course platform as Coursera. The idea is basically the same here. You can take a free online course from a university and, if needed, buy a certificate. I found several courses on Russian language for foreigners here. I will list them all below the video in the description. You can switch between two languages on this site, Russian and English, but if you don't know English, don't worry. The course itself most likely will be in Russian anyway, and the description will be in Russian. And if you don't know Russian yet, don't worry. We have our common friend for humanity, which is called Google Translator. It will give you a hand. Use it, it translates really well. Okay, in order to enroll to any course, you need to be a registered user. You can see that there are several options to register. There are the biggest Russian universities, Russian social medias, and global ones, which are Twitter and Google. Under current circumstances, just to be safe, I wouldn't recommend you to use your Twitter, Google accounts. Who knows, they might be banned in Russia and you will lose your progress eventually because you might not be able to log in. So maybe it's better to just go old school and use your email address. I just want you to know that it might happen. It might not happen as well. So you decide on your own. Alright, you've logged in and everything is fine. What's next? You can go straight to the list of links that I've created for you, but obviously the courses might come and go with time. So there is another option. You might type in русский язык, Russian language. If you don't know how to do it, how to write it, again, Google Translate it. It will give you the list of courses. Be careful though, a course might not be for a person who wants to study Russian language from the beginning as a foreigner, but for Russians who study its functioning or history, for instance. You have to dig through all of them a little bit, but well, it is what it is. Okay, let's look at the course itself. Let's take this one. What can we see here? The dates when the course starts and finishes, how many days you have before the end of enrollment, and the button to enroll, and a basic information about it. What level you need to have, what you will learn, etc. And a little rant why they honestly couldn't have just written it in both languages, Russian and English. I simply cannot understand, but again, you can just translate it with Google. If you see that enrollment is closed or is not open yet, you can just subscribe to Course News and they will notify you when you can enroll. When you enroll, you straight away are able to study. Let's have a look of what can we find there. So, you have past modules with lessons where you learn different aspects, how to read, to say basic phrases, make nouns plural, and so on. You click on it and you have a video lesson.
Извините, где тут метро? Близко?
Да, близко. Вот метро.
Спасибо.
Пожалуйста.
When you finish all the lessons, you will see a test on the module, which I cannot show you as I haven't finished all the lessons. It's just a usual test when you choose a right answer from several. And in the end, you have an exam. Here is another example, and here they have it all written in English.
Ола, ал. Ола, ол. Ула, ул.
There are courses not only for the beginners, like A-level students, but you can also find some for B-level students as well. I don't know if there is an option for you to buy a certificate nowadays because of sanctions that we have here in Russia. Like if you have a Russian card or a friend with a Russian card, I think you will be able to do that, but I don't know if it's possible from abroad. So keep that in mind. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this information was useful for you. Please subscribe, please check out my other videos. I was very happy to see you here. Goodbye, see you soon.